S, in for pretty much full exterior detail, and then a paint correction. Still debating right now whether we'll do an enhancement or go to a full one step. Reminder again, so light enhancement is going for 30 to 50% of defect removal, so basically like very minor micro marring, stuff like that, wash marks, stuff like that. It'll really give it a shine, but it's not going to take out any deeper defects. Full one step would get us to 50 to 70% defect removal. I really shoot for closer to 70%, and then obviously the two-step gets you to 90 plus. I just did a paint measurement on the whole car, did a quick report, so I'll give that to the customer, but it's not horrible for 2008. I kind of expected it to have some thin areas, and it does. Specifically, the rear hatch was in the twos, mid to high twos, which I don't like seeing. And then the lower rocker panels behind, right in front of the rear wheels, pretty thin as well. I'm assuming those areas have been polished before, probably. I definitely see remnants of polish splatter in the spots, I think. That's what it looks like to me. So I'm going to do a test spot and just kind of see what my plan of attack is here. I have a Rupes yellow wool pad, so they're a fine medium/medium wool pad, which usually does pretty good. I don't know how hard the paint is, we'll see. And then I actually have McGuire's 210. So I'm gonna do a test spot on the hood first, just to see how soft the paint is. I also want to do a test spot on the back. The back has some pretty bad swirling, which ironically enough is where the thinnest paint is. So we'll just have to see how we're able to get that out. So on the wool pad, again, I like to try to really work it in, get as many of the fibers coated as I can. And then I'll go and put a couple more dots. Okay, I'm going to bring you in here. Actually, before I do that, I do want to give you a close up. So let me bring you in and show you what the paint looks like. All right, so this is the hood. Let me just get you zoomed in here a little bit. So you can see the defects. The hood is actually not that bad. That's just watermark from when I lifted the hood to the front lid to dry underneath. It just had some runs. That'll just come off. You can see here where it just wipes off. So, but there's marking, but it's not horrible. There's the front bumper. Let me take you around here, show you the back. The back is worse. So you can see there a lot more marks. It's almost like this is maybe a little softer, which maybe is why it's more thin. And then on the spoiler, I've already pointed this out. See if I can get the light in the right place here. There we go. See the water spots. So, sorry, it's tough to get the light where you need it to be able to see in the camera. There are the water spots. They kind of go all the way along. So those should come out, but we'll see if they're totally gone. But anyway, the back just, look at that. That's the rear quarter. Just a lot more micro marring than there is in the front. This is the roof. Again, it's pretty marred up. So I'm gonna try the hood just to get an idea of the hood made, I don't know, the hood, nothing's been repainted from what I can tell. Just the hood's in better shape. So, all right, so I'm gonna do a test spot up here and then a test spot in the back, and then we'll see what the next step is.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily.
So remember, I'm doing a light enhance. I'm testing to see if I can do a light enhancement once that'll remove. That's what they're currently. That's what we're quoted. So, which is, again, as I've said before, it's not spending as long as time over target, moving quicker. Still trying to optimize my pad and my liquid. But I'm just not spending as much time. I'm not going into every little edge. Just trying to generally make it shine. That did good, but it left some very faint micro marking. So I don't think I'm going to be able to use the wool pad. That would imply this paint's pretty soft. I don't even know if you'd be able to see it. So, here's that drip line I was telling you about. You can see the drip line's gone. So that's about my line. So, this is undone. And then this is done. Now see all that fine marking? All the big stuff's gone. But it's left very fine haziness. I'm gonna say that's from the wool pad. So we're gonna switch over. And then if you go up here, you see the same thing. The bigger marks, down to this really fine. So, I'll be right back. I'm gonna switch pads and go to the Rupes yellow foam pad.
Bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
polishing can do. So just a reminder, 2008 Porsche Cayman S. This is guards red, so flat red, and it was swirled to hell. Generally, no big scratches. There's a couple along the bottom of the passenger door on that side that I made look better, but I didn't totally remove. But otherwise, no deep scratches, just a lot of swirling. And one step polish using Meguiar's 210, and then Rupe's yellow foam pad. I tried the yellow wool pad, and this paint's actually kind of soft, on the softer side, I'd say, not soft, but softer side. And as you saw in the video, the yellow wool pad left a lot of haziness behind. Foam pad just got rid of, probably 70 to 80%, at least 70 to 80% of the defects, and drilled it up nice. The paint, I did the measurements on all the paint. The paint was a little thin in spots, so I was careful in those areas. Those areas probably have a few more defects left behind, just because I didn't want to burn through the paint. So thanks for watching. You can take a 2008 vehicle that looks dull and nice, but maybe not new, and make the paint look almost new again with a little polishing. So, any questions, leave in the comments, subscribe, like the video, please, and if you want help with your car, shoot us a note at luxurycarcare.com. All right, thanks. Enjoy the day after photos. See ya.